even supposed to find the expiration date? I wish you'd never find out what spoiled milk smells like. I literally just bought this from Whole Foods. I can't keep wasting food like this.
Do you love stocking up your fridge? Because I really do. A full fridge gives me this crazy sense of comfort. But the things hiding in the back, especially the healthy stuffs, those always end up forgotten and expire. Now, let Everblog save all those foods for you. No more guessing shelf life. When you bring grocery home, just tap fridge and you'll see 15 categories: fruits, bread, vegetables, and etc. Pick what you want to add there, and there's tons of options. And you know what? But the best part is you can customize your own fridge layout and record exactly which each item goes to. You can put them first layout and the second layout. Also, there are the numbers of them, like how many you have. So easily you can find whatever you have in your fridge, and also your kids can find them too. So no more hearing the sentence, "Mom, do you know where the apples are?" Tap on an item and it takes you here, the detail page. Set where it goes, fridge, freezer, or pantry, and choose the shelf it'll go to. Once you add everything, you can check them all right here: the refrigerator, the frozen stuffs, and the pantry. And of course, you can check it on your phone too. So when you go to the store, no more buying duplicates. Everything syncs instantly and all in one place. Isn't it amazing? And this one is secretly my favorite. I use it to track my supplements. You know it. It's not like medicine, and missing one dose, it doesn't make you sick. So your body never screams at you. And 10 months later, you're like, why do I feel off? But now, never gonna miss your vitamins again. With Everblog Calendar, you can always stay on top of the food safety with timely alerts, a heads up before the food expiration. So every bite is safe and fresh, and you'll get a gentle nudge 2 days before the food goes bad, giving you plenty of time to cook it, use it up, or work it into your weekly meals. And if you want to learn more, feel free to check our website out and also our social media, or simply drop your questions in the comment and we'll try to cover this in the future video. Thank you so much for watching us.